Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by choosing an intact white magic sponge and prepping the area. Dampen the sponge under running water, then squeeze until it's damp but not dripping. This balance gives abrasive action without leaving puddles. Once damp, test a hidden spot to confirm paint and finish safety, because the sponge removes surface marks through microabrasion. If safe, begin with light pressure, working a 2-3 inch area. Move deliberately, short strokes rather than long sweeps, to avoid overworking the surface. You now tackle the core cleaning, targeted stain removal. Apply gentle pressure at first. If the mark doesn't lift, increase pressure incrementally while watching the surface. Once done on a small patch, rinse the sponge frequently to clear trapped debris and prevent redepositing grit. Work from the perimeter of the stain toward the center to push particles outward and avoid smearing. Rotate or cut the sponge to expose a fresh face when abrasiveness wanes, and keep testing the surface to ensure you're not dulling finishes. You're at the finish line. Rinse the cleaned area with plain water and dry it with a microfiber cloth to reveal the true result and restore sheen. If faint ghost marks remain, make sure to buff lightly with a polish appropriate to the material. Avoid harsh chemicals that react poorly with finishes. If the surface shows dulling, stop immediately and switch to a less abrasive method or consult a professional. One troubleshooting tip: if scratching appears, discontinue use and test an inconspicuous area with a milder product.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.